For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital. I'm Surat Suresh. Well, over the past few days, have you been facing a lot of problem in seeing, or have you been also facing problem, or have you been having a blurry eyesight? Well, worry not, because now the researchers at the University of College London, the UCL, they have come forward. They have said that they have a novel method in which they can cure your blurriness, or they have said that by exposing your retina or your eye to red light, probably you will be cured of the blindness which you have had. So this is what they have said. The researchers from the University College London, they have said that exposing the human eye to deep red light for 3 minutes a day could improve their eyesight as well, and declining eyesight in particular. That is what they have said. Now, according to the study about the research published in the Journals of Gerontology, cellular function declines in the age group due to the low densities of mitochondria in the photoreceptor cells. Well, all of you must have studied about mitochondria in your school. So how does it help? It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. So the entire body, each and every cell in your body will require a certain amount of mitochondria, which will empower, or which will give them the strength or the power to go forward and function, perform their function. So probably the photoreceptor cells which are there in your eyes, they also require certain amount of power or energy. So that is what the mitochondria will start giving. But after the age group of 40 or 60, which is called the age-related ailments, that is when the mitochondria, the number of mitochondria which will be there, the amount of energy that they'll be supplying, that will start reducing. So probably what the study has revealed is that once a photoreceptor cell is exposed to a near infrared wavelength of close to 670 nanometers, when it is exposed to it, then they start developing, or they are given enough energy, and probably they will start performing their functions. So that is what they have said, and their performance is also improved, is what the study has revealed. But how does the mitochondria actually help? Well, we are joined in by the director for Minto Hospitals, Dr. Sujata Rathod. She will be explaining as to how the mitochondria will actually facilitate the photoreceptor cells in performing their functions.
It's been seen that red light has been effective in various dermatological conditions where it acts as an anti-inflammatory agent as well. So, where age-related macular degeneration or the age-related degeneration, there has been a hypothesis of it being of inflammatory nature. So red light definitely would be of beneficial value in these degenerative conditions, and more so at the mitochondrial levels, where it is found to have a greater anti-inflammatory and regenerative effect.
So now coming to the main aspect, how was the study even conducted? What was the population which they considered, and what was the age group which they considered, to give you an understanding? Well, there are a few points. They selected 12 male and 12 female, and they were between the age group of 28 and 72. So this was the age group they selected. And what they did was they took them, they got themselves tested for the sensitivity of their eyes. And after that, each one of them were asked to stare at an LED light. That is, it is around 12 pounds LED light which you get. They were asked to stare at it for 3 minutes every day for over 2 weeks. So this is the time period that they have selected, 3 minutes per day for 2 weeks. And after that, they said that the low light sensitivity improved significantly, and probably 20% improvement in their eyesight was also witnessed. This is for the age group above the age of 40. So this is what they have said, 20% improvement was there. This kind of shows that probably it has actually helped them in overcoming their weakness, or in overcoming their declining eyesight as well. But everything said and done, how does it actually help, and whether or not it is only for the Indian ethnicity? Can it actually have an impact on the Indian ethnicity, or is it just for the Western world, is something which we will also have to understand probably in the coming days. This is just the starting period. In the coming days, we can understand the same factors as well.
in India, with its tropical environment, UV radiation, we too have our load of age-related degenerations of the retina. And it would be useful to try this particular study with our population also and see whether there is a greater benefit versus risk with regard to this red light.
Now, coming to another study, related study, a parallel study which was conducted in the Columbia University, where they said they have got an eye drop which can help in improving the said retinal vein occlusion. So this is what is said. Retinal vein occlusion is something which most of us get. A million of adults worldwide, major case of blinding or blindness is seen across the world, probably because of this condition. They have said they can avoid this completely by just making use of this particular eye drop which they have invented. They have said that there will be a certain type of leakage of fluid which will be there in your retina and which can in turn affect the photoreceptor cells, and that is why they have said this particular eye drop now will fix the retinal vein occlusion, and they have said that this will probably help in reducing the leakage and thus can avoid the entire blindness as well. So probably this can also help, but just mere using of eye drops and understanding whether or not it can help prevent complete blindness, that is a big question which will need to be asked.
Or steroid injections targeting to reduce the macular edema is the one which improves the vision. So with all these things in place, just a drop doing this particular action in order to reduce the edema and improve the vision would be extremely welcome. But as such, studies have not been proved this aspect that a single drop can take care of the edema.
Well, yes, there you heard it. Many thanks for joining us, Doctor. Firstly, all of those details regarding how the photoreceptor cells are very important, how these studies can actually have an impact on your eye, as well as whether or not it can ensure that the blindness can be avoided completely, or you can start responding better and there will be a complete rejuvenation in your eyes. Probably we will understand in the coming days once these studies are implemented on patients as well. For now, all they have done is, it is a small study, is what the doctor has said. The first study and the second one is just on a mice at this point, but they want to study the patients more. So probably yes, in the coming days we'll understand better, but nonetheless a lot of studies in the pipeline. Probably in the coming days we wouldn't have to see many people being blind. Probably they can all overcome that factor of just saying that age is not a limit. Probably that is going to be the case in the coming days. Well, hope you have liked this particular video. What do you feel? Do you actually feel that this could have effects on your eyes and probably you can overcome your blindness? Do let us know in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to News 9 on all the social media platforms. Until next time, thank you.